Hey guys, what's up? Scott Lennox here, Fish in OC, hooked on OC and Deadly Tackle. How's it going, man? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. If you've been with us for a while, we appreciate it. If you haven't been with us for a while and you're just watching this vid for the first time, make sure you subscribe, all right? We do all kinds of fishing content, some cooking and stuff like that, some traveling that we do, just a bunch of us, the Lennox clan, doing what we do, and we hope you appreciate it. So today, got out there for a little rock fishing and bam, dredged up this beautiful 31-inch rockfish down at the Route 50 bridge. Didn't get any video of that because I was fishing by myself, kind of tough. Plus, didn't really know what to expect. But I did catch this nice 31-inch fish. And today, I'm gonna give my Bubba Blade another chance. I cleaned a flounder a little while back and did really, really well with this Bubba Blade that I bought. It's the reciprocating, rechargeable electric knife. And the thing is really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this rockfish, a little bit bigger fish, but they've got a blade just for this too. So let me get rolling on it. So the Bubba Blade comes with 4 blades. You got the 7-inch flex, the 9-inch flex, the 9-inch stiff, and the 12-inch stiff. This fish being a little bit larger, I'm gonna go with 12-inch stiff, man. Right, I can get all the way through that, all the way down the fillet, and then flip this and we'll skin it. So let me get started, see how this goes. I have not cleaned a rockfish with the Bubba Blade yet. I'm used to just using a regular old fillet knife, but let's see how this thing does. Oh, make sure you keep your blades together. So you guys can see the sleeves and the blade, right? These come apart for easy cleaning. What you do is you just take the little knob there, insert tab A into slot B, and then bam, there's your reciprocation. Be careful when you put it in that you don't have that fall off. Right into the tippy tip. She's rolling. And then I'm just gonna do it like I normally would a rockfish, right? Behind the pectoral fin to the back of the head. He's still a little bit alive, so we're gonna be careful with that. Get through those scales, all the way down to the nitty gritty. Now I'm gonna go all the way through with this 12-inch knife, go down that backbone, and let the knife do the work for me. And I'm just gonna ease it on down until we get to the tail. Bam. Oh, that's nice. Wow, buddy. Look at that. That is clean, man. Rib cage and everything is still intact, but I'm gonna get rid of that. So we're gonna put this right on the table, push down, go down to the skin, and then just let the knife work slowly along that skin and have it come off. Oh my. That is nice. Look at that. Whoa. Beautifully come off of there. You can see how close it gets to the skin. Now I'm gonna get rid of this part. I don't want the rib cage and everything in there, so that white meat is gonna come off of there, right along the edge, right along that backbone where those rib bones are. All that comes off and goes to the fishes. But look at that, man. That is a beautiful, beautiful rockfish fillet. Really, really quickly too. And I'm gonna tell you, man, I usually screw these up. I'll usually screw a rockfish up when I'm cleaning it, but that was super easy. So go to the other side here. Same exact thing, you're just working opposite. Pectoral fin up to the top of the head. Get through those scales. Let the knife do the work for you, man. All the way down. No problem coming all the way through this. I'm gonna do the same thing toward the backbone. Get underneath that fillet. I can feel it working down the rib cage. I'm just kind of slowly moving it down the rib cage like that. And then we get it to the tail. Wow. Give it a little flip. Same thing. Put that knife on the meat down to the skin. Rockfish skin is nice and thick, so you don't got to worry about tearing through it too easy. It looks like my battery's getting a little bit close to dying, but still, I got enough for this fish. Work that off. Bingo. Man, look at that. That does a tremendous, tremendous job. Let's move this out of the way for you. Same thing on this fillet. I'm going to get rid of this rib cage and those rib bones. Whoa, folks. I'm telling you what, man. That was super, super easy. Bones are gone. 2 beautiful, beautiful rockfish fillets there. And that was real, real easy. I'm telling you what, man, this was a really, really good investment so far. Really enjoyed cleaning flounder with it. Put the 12-inch stiff on there and you can fillet a 31-inch rockfish real easy. Like I said at the top, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Any questions, ask those down in the comments. Make sure you follow all of our social media. It's Facebook, FishinOC. On Instagram, it's iFishinOC. You want to see all of our daily stuff, it's fishinoc.com. Peace.